What's up, everybody? It's been a while, but I am back with a quick, simple, yet flavorful recipe. It's curry chicken, and we're gonna add some cabbage. I'm not sure if anybody have ever had this before, but curry chicken with cabbage in that sauce is bomb, bomb, bomb. So watch me how I create this dish. It's really simple, but you're building your flavors. So I have some leg and thigh here, which I've chopped and washed and cleaned and seasoned. And here I am, just putting it in the pot with some oil. And we're just gonna burn the curry for a while. So here I have my chicken. It has been burning in that oil for a while. I'm just moving it around, make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. And after it has been sitting there for maybe 5-10 more minutes, then I'm gonna add some hot water to the bowl that the meat was seasoned in, and then pour that in. You don't have to add any water because normally it springs its own liquid, or you can add ice cube. Here I have my cabbage, I have some bell pepper, I have some scallions, some thyme, I have some onion, and I have some carrot, and I have a Scotch bonnet pepper, and that's gonna be added all in with my chicken. Here I'm pouring some hot water in that bowl that the chicken was seasoned in, and I'm gonna add that to the water, to the pot. This was maybe a cup and a half, maybe 2 cups of water, because you don't want to add a lot of water. But if you do add water, you want to taste towards the end to see if you need to add any more seasoning. So we're going to pour that in. As you can see, my chicken is almost there. We're going to pour that in and let that come to a boil. So I'm going to also go ahead and add in just my cabbage for now. You can cut it up smaller, but I didn't want it to get lost in all that sauce. Lost in the sauce. But that is my way of doing it, and I decided to leave them all like that. As I said, you can cut it to your preference. And I'm just gonna make space and add them in, and we're just gonna cover up the pot and let it come to a boil. Have anybody ever tried this recipe before? Maybe not like this, but tried it before? Comment down below and let me know. But this is what we have after about 5-10 minutes, and my cabbage leaves are almost there. My gravy is a bit watery, but we're gonna work on it, and we're gonna all come together. But this is what we have so far, and I'm still keeping those leaves whole until towards the end when I just combine everything. This took me about an hour or a little bit under an hour to cook. Here it's like 10-20 more minutes, and I'm gonna add in my bell peppers, onions, scallion, thyme. My bell peppers are frozen, so that also helped to add any extra liquid if or liquid is drying out in the pot. I'm taking out that pepper before I combine everything because I don't want it to burst. So I've combined everything, added in my Scotch bonnet pepper, and this is what we have so far. I'm gonna add some more seasoning because it needed more after adding that liquid. And after I add that seasoning, then we're just gonna let it sit and come together until the gravy is thickened. So our curry chicken and cabbage is finished. Serve it with some green bananas, and this was just so comforting to me, guys. Definitely give this a try if you haven't, and I'll see you on the next one.